The Bible you are carrying is not a book you remember to carry when you are going to church. Then your Bible is a religious book. The Bible is not a book that you only carry when you want to lambast your children and you are saying you are doing family altar. The Bible is not a religious book. It's not a book whereby you draw for when your wife misbehave and you want to speak nonsense into her head, and it is the Bible that is your weapon. Then it's a religious book. The Bible is not a philosophical book whereby you just take certain quotes that is suitable for your use. No, the Bible is not a historical book, even though you have history in the Bible. But why do I say it is not a historical book? Because the Bible is the book of prophecy. The prophecies that were fulfilled are the history of the Bible. So the prophecy foretold that came to fulfillment, they are the history you have in the Bible.